They're family. I believe they're family. And so, oh, you want back in the box? See, this is puppy power, but this is what you expect. And so you have to be ready when you get a puppy. You want to join your family? Okay, there we go. We have shortbread, s'mores, and peanut butter. All of these cuties, 2 months old, as you can see. Hi, darlings. They're ready for new homes. You can't jump back there, but. They're exploratory, and I remember like leaving my shoes out, and I lost them all, you know. But
Definitely.
you have to know. So hi and welcome. You're with Horn Lake Animal Shelter, Alexis Sullivan, and tell me who we have here and like their personalities.
Say we have I know peanut butter, s'mores, ginger. They were a litter of 9 that a citizen brought in, found abandoned. So we have been taking care of these babies during the winter storm. And
oh, wow.
So 3 of the 9 are
the
here
quiet
left. Say they had a quick bath this morning for their close-up. But they've been doing good. They're both full of energy, all full of energy, very curious to know their environments and just playful. And like you said, just looking for their forever homes.
Yeah, this one is the quiet one. Those 2 are, you're the sweet little tiny one, right? So tell me about, you know, the winter storm. How did you?
Yeah, so definitely that was challenging. Luckily, the city hall, we were able to get a generator just to have, just in case if needed. But the staff was great of being able to still come in, take care of the fur babies that we have in our care, making sure that they're fed, clean, and even were able to do some play groups with the dogs that we had in our care.
Wow, that's really something. And this is the new facility that you're talking about?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, because you just got a new one. So you're part of the Regional National Transport Network.
Yes. Yes, we have worked closely with the Bissell Pet Foundation and able to get pets in our care, transport up north. We've had 2 transports within the last 2 weeks. The first one going up to New Hampshire, and then the second one that we had just last Thursday was the 7 pets going to Minnesota.
Wow. I mean, that's a lot of, you know, like the logistics, and, you know, that's really amazing that we're able to do that because we do have a spay and neuter issue.
Yes.
Okay, so talk to me about just the shelter and the level of animals that you have, because I know, you know, the storm was here, all that.
Yes, we've, you know, during the storm, we're still having to answer those dispatch calls for pets that are strays or the citizens are calling concerned about.
Oh, you went out.
But we have currently 52 dogs in our care at the shelter, and luckily with transports, we're down to 7 cats in our facility.
Wow. So how can we, how can we help? Like, how can we get involved? What are your needs right now?
Definitely we have volunteers to come help with being able just to take dogs for walks, to play with them, play with the cats. But we also have a wish list on Amazon. We have a dog wish list and also a cat wish list that we have that people can look on our wish list and get items and send directly to the shelter.
I just really love that they get a moment to get out and to just kind of be acclimated
dogs.
to people, to be dogs. Is there anything I didn't ask that really needs to happen for you?
We definitely look, once again, needing the volunteers, definitely to help with those play groups that we run, and just to help with the socialization of the pets in our care.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Alexis. Shortbread, s'mores. Wait, which one? Okay, wait. Shortbread?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter, yeah.
This is s'mores, shortbread.
Okay. Thank you so much. Appreciate you coming in.
Thank you.
Good luck getting out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so cute. All right, and weather expert Todd Demers is up after this break. Ooh, I'm gonna go get my mic. I'm gonna get together.